money is made ice, unimpressed of everything. No, I want more impressive aquarium in Okinawa. What are you talking about? Money doesn't make me unimpressed by stuff. It makes no sense. Your mom still impresses me every night. I've also been traveling the world for 10 years, so I've seen it all at this point. Ohio. Cardo? Oh, I should have got a drink. What do you got, sir? Yeah, get drunk on the boat, dude.
Sure?
Yeah, why not, dude?
If you say I should, okay.
Oh, yeah, dude, get wasted on the boat, dude.
You just said I could get wasted.
Yeah, bro. Nothing like, being drunk on the fast boat, so we're going to be hitting the waves, getting air.
Oh, yeah, dude, you're right.
Yeah, get drunk, dude. Don't get fucking seasick. See what I'm saying? Ohio. Yeah, Cardo, yeah. Thank you.
I can't tell if chicken is a little retarded or dropped on his head as a baby, maybe fetal alcohol syndrome. Has to be something dude is off.
He's just drunk 24/7. I mean, that's probably what it is. Yeah, being drunk 24/7 will do it to you. Benzos? I mean, he's on benzos, not here at least. What is this, dude? Thought it was a fucking carrot juice. It's like a smoothie. So thick. Dude. Ugh. This is like carrot puree. Alright, so we got 30 minutes until we have to go and board the thing, so we just wait here until then. Oh my god. I guess Ned's not going to Tsushima with us. Captain G, I guess, ain't going either, because I don't know where he's at. He said, I texted him at like 5 a.m. I was like, are you going to come on this boat? He said, it might be hard, but I'll see you in Busan if I don't make it. That told me he definitely wasn't coming. Did Ned walk for 4 hours and make it back to somewhere eventually? Or what happened to him?
Want to go smoke? Smoking thing's over there, remember? Isn't it?
Yeah, but whatever. All right, come on.
Okay. Alright. 11 now.
He was in an internet cafe earlier. Well, at least he made it to something, I guess. Dude, he probably walked for like 3 hours at least. He must be pissed. So we'll spend a day in Tsushima. Maybe 2 days in Tsushima. It's a big island. It's fucking massive. So 1 or 2 days, and then we'll go to Busan.
Alright.
I mean, we don't want to just go to the island to be there for half a day. It's, because we'll get there at noon. Vitamin gummy.
Lacking vitamins?
Yeah, it would be good to have some vitamins. So the slow boat takes 5 hours, the fast boat is 2 hours. So I assume that this boat is going to be ripping through the water, dude. At such high speeds.
Yeah, I didn't look at ticket.
I mean, the island is closer to Korea than it is to fucking Japan.
How long is the ride?
2 hours.
Yeah. I didn't charge any of my shit last night.
Why not?
Passed out. So tired. Fucking chasing Ned, dude.
So the boat leaves at 10:30. So yeah, we have to actually board in 20 minutes.
Hey, Chet, you guys need to remind me of shit. Chicken, you should charge your stuff tonight. It'd be a good idea before you go to bed. Oh, Chet, you guys are so smart. Oh. Yeah, and by the way, I'm gonna start using my alt fucking Instagram to get tired of this shit.
So yeah, 1 or 2 days in Tsushima. I mean, it just depends. I don't know if it depends if there's what. I don't know what there is to do there. I don't know anything about it. Ned just said it's from the game, and I'm like, oh yeah.
We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us, Mr. Paul Danino. We are Japan Twitter.
Yeah, spoken like an incel.
Really good. No, I'm not doing this again.
Oh yeah, let me go back to 1080. Hold on. Well, I might as well keep it at 720. I don't know how the connection is going to be on this boat. I don't know.
Hey, Ice, what's the plan for today? Stop right there. Did you say traveling? Again? That's it. You're going on my old monitor in the garage. Fuck you.
That's fine. I mean, it's just 2 hours. It's not a big deal. And it's a boat, so it's like maybe more interesting than a train. Maybe. For like 5 minutes. And then we sit down and do nothing for an hour.
Vitamins, huh? So what do vitamins look like?
It's just jelly with vitamins inside. I don't know. It's just jelly.
Smell it like that? You can smoke on the boat? There has to be. You can smoke at airports.
I mean, probably, yeah.
Yeah, there has to be like a...
Remember the guy who used to say, "You've been downgraded to my 10th monitor"? Where's he?
He ran out of money buying all his monitors. Can't donate anymore. No, they don't put artificial flavors and colors in their food here. No, that's why it tastes bad. Food just tastes worse when it's not bright red. I don't know why, it just does. They do have corn syrup here. I see some of the drinks when I look on the back of it, it'll say high fructose corn syrup, so that they do have that here. Like the Coke has high fructose corn syrup. Which I thought was just an American thing, but it's not. Captain G has my hat, my snow hat, which is annoying because it might be cold on this island. I feel like, I don't know how cold, but I feel like it's gonna be colder than here. It's Korea, I think it's colder than Japan, so. And my skin is really dry. My skin looks like a moon crater right now. I need to moisturize. Day 65. I look like I'm fucking 40 years old now.
Hey Ice, Duke again. Could you speak louder? I can't hear you from my garage monitor. The speakers are covered in bubblegum and cum.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure it does. I'm sure it is. Watch out, Ned's lurking somewhere. You might freak out.
You ever think about bathing or mixing a tissue? Anything. I'm begging you. Slob.
No, fuck showers. Fuck bathing. I don't know.
Oh, traveling again. You have been upgraded to my fridge screen. Your 2018 VOD still on main monitor. Sag, I miss old Ice.
Yeah, whatever, dude.
Dude, we're in a war with Iran because of those dirty yarmulke fucks.
Whatever, dude. I don't even know what that means. I paid for their boat tickets. I don't know why. I think they're just too poor to buy a ticket, but when we get there, they're going to have to get our own hotels or something.
Bro, again, we pay you and you pay for them. It's the circle of life nipple nuts.
No, that's not how it works. No one's entitled to the money. You pay me, and then I keep it. That's how it goes.
Figured it out. Really difficult.
Alright, Betty Boop. Alright, hold on, let me throw this away and then we should probably go. Alright, let's go back inside. Let's go. It's not time yet, but I have to sit here and I'll be able to see when it's time. Why am I awake early? Because I have to I'm taking a boat to an island, which there was a later boat. There was a 4 p.m. boat. But I was like, what's the point of taking a 4 p.m. boat? Gonna get there so late. It's pointless. Might as well take the 9 a.m. boat or whatever, 10 a.m. boat.